You see, same finger when me use and count the money. 10:30 Friday morning. And pay you. When the water finish. And we couldn't do no more work. Pay you for the whole day. And the same finger there. Me I go use and ignore no call. When you not call me ask me for work. So if you don't see the video, I don't know, so you don't know if you call me ask me for no more work. Because I write this out there. Because imagine me I pay a laborer $6,000 a day. And I carry them at work. See? I burn gas, I pay a toll, and I not draw nothing for transport. My car I go through wear and tear. Spring them and stretch out. Because I carry people in there. I buy my car for man go work. Because man supposed to find himself at work. Any work you do, you're supposed to find yourself at work. And when you get paid, you're supposed to put down your money if you carry back at work the other week. And I pay a man $6,000 a day. And this morning now, when me ready for go work, remember you know, we don't get paid on Friday. And if you don't have an issue, well, I don't have my number. You could have called me Saturday, you could have called me Sunday. But when me call you now, I make arrangements to pick up Monday morning, you go tell me, say, boy, we are watching, we are going sitting on the $6,000, can't work out. Remember, you know, we camp on site. We carry them at work. Carry them back. Me not charge them nothing. And the man tell me, say, $6,000. Not enough. And the scope of work, now did they figure them more? Because I one little car porch and one staircase where we are trying to take out a ground for meet the ground floor. We are take out the basement for meet the ground floor where I just saw the work I got there. And even if me say alright, because you have all two tradesmen when I have there. See? We are say the same thing. Because I pay them 12 grand a day based upon how it works state. Because if me pay them by the ton for install the steel. See? Because I pay 20 grand a ton for install. And 1 ton of steel now did it for install. Because whole a cage and a mat and a wall bar then did it. For when we go up by next level. For put in there. So if me say, alright. Since what them say they want job work. And if me pay them in a job, it still only work out to 12 grand a day. Yo, we have to laugh. Because I know 1 ton of